Hello and welcome to today's podcast from FD Capital. I'm Adrian Lawrence and today I'm talking about startup funding for businesses in the UK. A great thing about the UK business climate and environment is that it's easy to access funding options. There are a good number of business schemes. Central government has offered a whole series of grants, as has local government. So small amounts of funding are available almost readily. There's also loan guarantee options. The government has set up a specialist bank called the British Investment Bank, and you can get unsecured loans really on an almost self-certified basis for small businesses. They don't do any form of credit checking. They just validate the concept and lend accordingly. So very easy to raise funds like that. Also, there are a number of very generous tax schemes. So there's Seed Enterprise Investment Scheme and the Enterprise Investment Scheme. Both of these allow for generous tax relief, up to 50% tax back. So if you invest £100 in a new start business, basically you can get £50 back from the taxman. So even if it never increases in value and you get your £100 back, you've still made 50% profit before you even start. So if you spread that across a range of investments, there's a very good chance of achieving a great return on your investment. The high street banks are quite open to lending, though the issue is if you're moving to work full time for your own business, then income-based criteria are going to make that a little bit more challenging. Crowdfunding, you can get, if you put a good idea out, you can get people to invest in it without any shares or anything, just supporting you in your idea. There's also other crowdfunding ideas where you sell shares, and there's popular platforms such as Webfunder, CDRS, and others. So it's very easy to access funding in the UK. The challenge comes not in the early stage of a business, but in that later stage when the business is still growing. Private equity and venture capital funds are very interested in lending to startups, but as you approach the A series, it's actually quite difficult to find funding because the expectation of investors is for very rapid growth, and only a handful of companies actually meet their very exacting criteria. So that's a lot tougher, but the startup phase is a straightforward one to raise funds in the UK. So a little bit about us. We're FD Capital Recruitment. We're based in Great Portland Street, London. We specialise in finance director and CFO recruitment. We've got a big portfolio of excellent candidates on our books, most of PE house and technology sector experience. So if you're looking for funding, or if you've already got funding and you're looking for the next funding round, then our team of specialists are perfect for your business. You can find our website at www.fdcapital.co.uk, and from there you can find the contact us button and reach out to us. Thanks for listening. Have a great rest of the day.